Alright, so today I'm going to install some hardtop brackets on my Miata. As of right now, I've just had the front latches, nothing on the side because it would hit the roll bar, and then the back Frankenstein bolts holding on. So I'm going to put these on, should help with some squeaking and whatnot, and make it more legal for tracking it. The latch on the hardtop is held on by these two screws, and then there's a screw back here, and then in the car it's these two Torx head bolts. So we're going to take all that out. Alright, I already started loosening up the screws here, so I'll just go finish them off. I use the drill to get a good bite, because with just a screwdriver it's not working. Now that that's off, we'll go ahead and start putting these brackets in. So I'm going to start with the hardtop side because those ones are slotted. I'll just get the bolts started and loosely going in. And then we can run these bolts in. And once I get these ones tight, then I'll go back and tighten up the hardtop bolts. Okay. Okay, there's that first mount. Don't know how well you can see it. Get some light up from here. There we go. In the back here, it mounts to this hole and then this bolt here, which I'm an idiot and thought it was supposed to mount somewhere back in here and cut up the plastic, which you can't really see right now, but I've recently learned it just goes here, so I gotta pull this out, mount it here. That's real quick and easy. Alright, now I just gotta run this out. That's out there. Okay, I finished installing the hardtop brackets. The right side here, the passenger side, I had a few of the factory screws strip out on me, so I had to get an extractor to get them out, but clearly it's out, new brackets in. This is the driver's side, or passenger side. There's the driver's side, and then I realized when I was making the video earlier that I didn't have a good position for the side brackets. So here's the driver's side. Here's passenger side. Now I will probably change these. These are just some screws that I found that fit. I'm probably going to change those to bolts so I can have just the same socket for everything and not have to worry about a screw stripping out there. But that's all in and it's pretty secure now.